In this video, we will take you on a scenic drive on beautiful Siesta Key. We drive onto the island via Stickney Point Road from Route 41 and head north on Midnight Pass Road. We will pass the world-famous Siesta Beach before arriving in Siesta Key Village. After a short drive through the lively village, we will head back to Siesta Beach and walk onto the cool, white, powdery sand. If you enjoy this video, we invite you to tap the like button and subscribe to our channel. We upload weekly videos to showcase amazing family-friendly destinations. Now sit back and enjoy this short driving tour of this most popular beach destination.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. The summer night, the summer night.
for watching. We hope this video gives you a glimpse of what Siesta Key has to offer. For more videos about things to see and do in the area, check out our Florida playlist that we have linked here and in the description below. Wherever your next trip takes you, we wish you happy travels!